Good morning. Stocks in focus. Moving closer to launching 4G services, Reliance Industries has signed an agreement to lease out bandwidth from Bharti Airtel. Under the deal, Reliance Jio Infocom will lease capacity on Bharti Airtel's I2I submarine cable. Wipro Limited is in talks to acquire the IT assets of ANZ Banking Group. The group employs close to 5,000 people in technology development, operations and shared services in Bangalore. Bharti Airtel announced that it will buy out Abu Dhabi-based Warid Group's telecom business in Uganda. With this, Airtel will become the second largest mobile operator in Uganda with a combined customer base of over 7.4 million and a market share of over 39%. To meet shortfall in domestic coal supplies, Coal India Limited may need to import nearly 15 million tons in 2013-2014. This follows the government decision that allowed the miner to fill the gap between domestic supplies and annual contracted quantity to power stations by imports. Tech Mahindra has acquired a Sweden-based type approval lab for undisclosed amount which will help it strengthen presence in Europe, Middle East and Africa regions. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited has contested the anti-dumping duty imposed by the Commissioner of Customs, Chennai, for importing network-related telecom equipment from Chinese manufacturers, including Huawei. JSW Steel is looking to secure mining leases, including bidding for new mines in Karnataka after last week's Supreme Court judgment lifted the mining ban in the state. The Finance Ministry has opposed the creation of $10 billion sovereign wealth fund to acquire oil and gas and fertilizer assets abroad, saying the country did not have sufficient foreign currency to support the fund. SEBI will introduce rules for wealth management and foreign broking firms which intend to sell financial products to Indian citizens. The fresh set of regulations to be in addition to those from the RBI is being considered to bring products these companies sell under SEBI's ambit. Thank you. Wish you have a good day ahead.